morning, students.
Good morning.
Okay, I'm Madam Sarah. Today we are going to talk about biogeography. In simple terms, biogeography is all about soils. So you have learned many things about soil. I want one student to tell us what is soil. One student, Leah, what is soil?
Soil is the top layer of the earth crust.
Yeah, it is the uppermost layer on the earth's surface where plants usually grow. In many a times, there are different types of soil. You may find soils like volcanic soil, loamy soils, sandy soils, and clay soils. So it will depend on the fertility of the soil. That is what will depend on the type of crop that you will grow. The second thing I want us to talk about is components of soils. We have 4 components of soils. So I want each one of you to tell us one and another one to say another one so that we may continue. Okuku?
Soil texture.
We have soil texture. Thank you for trying, but that's not a component of soil. Another one? Jackie? Organic matter. Thank you very much. We have organic matter as a component of soil. This is, if you hear about organic matter, it's all about the waste, the animal waste. And this in organic matter, we always find humus. And we say humus is a soft jelly-like moisture that is formed, which contains, it may contain alkaline acid or acidic acid. Another component of soil, layer?
Soil atmosphere.
Soil atmosphere. Thank you for trying.
Soil air.
Yeah, soil air. I needed that. So thank you so much. Air, it will combine of oxygen and carbon dioxide. Sorry. So plants always give out CO2, and the animal gives out oxygen. So when these two out, they exchange this air, we get soil. The soil will be able to accumulate and form soil. Another component, John?
Soil water.
We have soil water. So soil water, it may be either hygroscopic water, may be either capillary water, or it may be different types of water. It will depend. If the water is too much, so it will means that that soil is well saturated with water. Another component, current. Karen, tell us the last component.
Inorganic.
Yeah, we have inorganic components. Inorganic components, these are the rock particles which form out the skeletons, and we get them from the weathered rock materials, where we get components such as silicates, such as trace elements, magnesium, manganese, things like that. So after that, I want us to look at the characteristic of soils. And we have many characteristics of soil. So I want you to state as many as possible. Leah, give us like 2 characteristics of soils. We have soil color. Thank you so much. Soil color, soil color is different. It will be different. For example, you will find a black soil, and this will mean this soil has a lot of nutrients and it is very fertile. So color, it means the visibility of soil. Another characteristic, Jackie? We have soil pH. Soil pH, we say that it is the acidity and the alkalinity of the soil. So it will depend on how the soil is fertile or how the soil is not fertile. Another characteristic, John? Soil porosity. This is the amount of pore spaces in a soil. And if the soil is well aerated, it means that the exchange of air is very good. Another characteristic,
Soil texture.
we have soil texture. Soil texture it is the composition of the soil into different sizes. For example, you will find that a soil is coarse, is fine, or it has it is a silt. So it will depend on the sizes of the particles of soil. Another characteristic, Nelson?
Soil structure.
We have soil structure. Thank you so much. Soil structure, it is now the arrangement of soil into